So you're running a digital campaign for a cause, and you need to create UTM source codes to track where people are coming from and analyze performance across different channels. But you're still using Google Sheets? It's messy, clunky, and error-prone, and not scalable when you have multiple campaigns going on. And that's exactly why I created Actionsource. It's a clean, focused workspace designed just for you. You can create, organize, and manage all of your UTM links in one space, whether it's email codes or web codes. So no more broken formulas and no more inconsistencies. And let me show you how it works. Okay, we are inside our dashboard, and let's start by creating a new project. Think of a project as a campaign, so you can create multiple campaigns or multiple projects in here. So it's organized, you can manage them separately. And I'm gonna call mine NYC Election 2025 because I am manifesting. And upon creation, it's gonna show up in the sidebar. Once you click into it, it's showing that we got 0 source codes. And once I click on this button, it's asking me, what type of source code are you creating? As you can see, we've got 2 types because fundamentally the final output are different. One is a snippet of a code and another one is a full website URL link. So let's say you've crafted an email and you need to send it out, but before you send out, you need to make a piece of code to plant into your CRM, whether it's ActionKit or Action Network. And for this one, let's say you've built some sort of landing page that you need to put trackings in it. So let's give it a try. I'm going to create a web source code, and as you can see, we got this nice form right here. It seems like it's prompting me to choose different values for those fields. Okay, cool. Let's just try it. I'm going to create a base link here, pick a date, pick a platform, a topic, a type, a category, audience, language, and call to action. And as you choose those values, the final URL is building up. So you can see the preview here. And if you don't like the default options, you can always create your own. For example, let me create a new custom defined topic, and then create it here. And let's choose our own topic. Okay. And you can even change the CRM preset. So let's say this link, you're gonna use it in ActionKit. So you can choose ActionKit, and it's gonna automatically add this key value pair for you at the end of the URL. So let's create that. Nice. And show up right here in the overview, but also you can just click into either here or here or here. You can see we have a nice table with one source code that we just created. And you might be wondering, okay, you've got all those default fields, but you're missing the field that I need. So what do? Well, there's a button right here. You can click on that and create a custom field, right? So let's say I want to create a Boolean value, which is called fundraiser. So to determine whether this is a fundraiser or not. And right now we support 2 types, whether it's a true, false, or with a bunch of custom options that you can define yourself. So I'm going to choose that and create the field. Nice. And now let me click on edit to add the value for this new custom field that I just defined. And as you can see, it's being automatically added to our final URL right here and right here. Perfect. Let me update it. Nice. Okay, we're done with web, and let's try to build a new email code. So create email code. The form looks similar, but we have different fields. And again, all of those options you can customize, and all of the fields you can customize as well. So let me just choose a bunch of options here. And again, you can see the code preview. Let's create that. Beautiful. And same thing, you can create a custom field right here. And if you wonder where do you manage all of the custom options and the custom fields, just click on the 3 dots into project settings, and you can see all of your options for the default fields and for custom fields right here. And it's type specific, meaning the custom field you created for web won't show up in email because they are, it's a separate concern. So it's clean. And next I want to introduce the team management because, obviously you want to collaborate with your team. So yeah, click on the 3 dots again and click on invite new member. So right now you can either invite external members one by one by entering their email address, and they'll get an email notification to sign up. And then after that, they will be able to see your project and edit everything in your project. Or you can just grant an umbrella access to your organization. For example, you can just add myorg.ca here. After you save the domain, everybody with that email domain will be able to, once they sign up, will be able to see your project and edit all of your source code. So it's collaborative. So if you're someone who's running a campaign, whether you're a media buyer or digital director or email fundraiser, we are offering a 14-day free trial right now for Actionsource. So I'll put the link below and make sure you check us out.